On this episode of Off-Roading with the Rust Belt Boys, right here we are in the Rust Belt Off-Road Assembly Shop here. We have this 69 Chevelle here. If you look at it here, we got this on the chassis. It's all built, the body's on the chassis. Brand new GM crate motor here. A CV serpentine system on this, so it's looking really, really good here. Custom headman headers, custom exhaust all the way back 3-inch. And this is going over to the body shop shortly to have the front end put on. Final fitment with the front sheet metal, and then we'll do the final block on this vehicle here and get it ready for paint. This is the original car here from 69, and if you check it out, it looks really sweet here. Very laid out, custom Krager wheels on it, Willwood brakes all around. Let's go over here and enjoy. So right here is our classic Bronco. This is the bread and butter of Rust Belt Off-Road. It's been it for a long time. Painted here fully by us, in-house, fully built, and this is ready for customer pickup here. He'll be here on Friday to pick it up and get ready for summer cruising, and can't wait to see this one on the road. All right, the 65 Chevy Impala. This is a full frame swap here. The original frame was rotted out, and original paint car here. We swapped the frame out to a original Chevelle frame. Original was all rotted out. Updated suspension on it, Willwood brakes all around, and right now Mr. Rick is putting a new fuel tank in. We had to paint that black. The tank was bare steel. If you look here, we used some PPG epoxy on it, and then used some PPG single stage semi-gloss on the tank, and it came out fabulous. New sending units going in, and this will be in the Impala shortly, and this will be ready for cruising probably next couple weeks. At Rust Belt Off-Road here, this is our bread and butter. We've been doing this longer than anyone. The Ford Bronco vehicles here, body tubs, these have been done since 2014. So about 12 years we've been doing these now. And we're the industry leaders on these. If you look here, we do all these welds, or these spot welds, are every 1.5 inches. The amateurs that do these in their backyard, they half-ass the welds here, and you can see here in the photos we just posted. But if you look at the welds here, professionally done spot weld. This one is getting bed line. It's been lasered underneath, so it's bare steel, be epoxied and bed line. Missy Elizabeth will get that done here shortly. And one of the offers here we do at Rust Belt Off-Road is sell the complete package for you, from base tub to fully painted to put on a rolling chassis. We can do all here at Rust Belt Off-Road. All right, so right here at Rust Belt Off-Road, this is our 69 to 72 Chevy Blazer body here. Built straight and level like everything is at Rust Belt Off-Road. Check it out, it's square. It looks really fabulous here, and we really take pride in our work there in our body shows at Rust Belt Off-Road. For a first place professional paint job finish here, give Rust Belt Off-Road a call at 330-533-4757. Check out the awesome finisher on this Brittany Blue Bronco with a Wimbledon white top. We have openings here for this winter of 2025. So give us a call here, get your vehicle in here. Classic trucks, classic Broncos, classic, you name it, we can do it here at Rust Belt Off-Road. Attention to detail here. We're using a pencil grinder here to fabricate some holes here on the front of the trucks here. Custom built here. We can do it all here at Rust Belt Off-Road. For all your restoration needs, your off-road needs, your lift needs for your trucks, your engine change out, engine swaps, transmission swaps, lifting of your vehicle. We can do it all here at Rust Belt Off-Road. 330-533-4757. Check out our website at rustbeltoffroad.com.